As the global population grows and climate change disrupts traditional agriculture, the question facing the world is this: how do we sustainably feed 10 billion people by 2050? PoLoPo, a pioneering biotechnology company, has an answer, and it starts with something as simple and extraordinary as a potato. PoLoPo is transforming the way food is produced. Using cutting-edge molecular farming technology, they have developed a process that turns potatoes into biofactories for producing high-quality, animal-free egg protein. Without a single chicken or egg, PoLoPo is paving the way for sustainable protein production. Here's how it works. PoLoPo inserts a DNA sequence into potato plants, enabling them to produce ovalbumin, the primary protein found in eggs. These biofactory potatoes are grown, harvested, and processed into a protein powder that is nutritionally identical to traditional egg protein. This groundbreaking approach is not only animal-free, but also dramatically reduces greenhouse gas emissions, water usage, and land requirements. PoLoPo's innovation addresses one of the most pressing challenges of modern agriculture: ensuring a stable, sustainable, and scalable supply of essential proteins. Their process is immune to the volatility of traditional egg production, such as disease outbreaks and fluctuating costs, creating a consistent and reliable solution. But PoLoPo's mission extends beyond technology. They are calling on growers, food industry leaders, and global brands to collaborate and scale this innovation. By adopting PoLoPo's molecular farming technology, these partners can lead the way in transforming food production, reducing environmental impact, and meeting the demands of a growing world. More information is available in the related article below.